Hey everyone, if Instagram stickers are missing from your stories, don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and install any available updates. New stickers may not show up if you are using an outdated version. Next, restart the Instagram app and your phone. Close the app completely, restart your device and check if the stickers appear. If stickers are still missing, try switching to a professional account. Some users have reported that stickers appear after switching to a business or creator account. After switching, restart the app and check again. Another trick is clearing Instagram's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary data that might be causing the issue. If that doesn't work, log out of Instagram and log back in. Sometimes this refreshes your account and restores missing features. Still not working? Try using a different account or device to see if the stickers appear there. If they do, it could be a temporary bug with your account. Finally, if Instagram is rolling out new stickers, they may not be available to everyone yet. You might need to wait until the feature is fully released in your region. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and follow for more Instagram fixes. See you in the next one.